Okay, so welcome to all of you. Now we'll see the Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. We have already seen that Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. Up to this, we did the same thing now. What here? Okay, let y is equal to f of x be a function defined on closed interval x naught xn. Okay, let f of x be a single valued function and it is continued on the closed interval x naught xn. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll divide this interval x naught xn into n sub intervals of equal length. Okay, such as x0 x1 x1 x2 x3 x4. So that means what here, x1 minus x2 x2 minus x1 x4 minus x3, they are all same now here. So that means what, these length of the interval is what, x1 minus x2 mod of x1 minus x2 mod of x2 minus x1. So everywhere this is what, these are the sub intervals, so they have the equal length. Okay, so that is what, x0 is equal to x0 plus I, where I is what, 0 to n. We want to find a polynomial f of x of degree n such way that f of xn is equal to y. So it satisfies this, f of xn is equal to y. Okay, so let f of x be the polynomial degree n as, so f of x, I write this word, f of x, this is what, f of x is equal to a naught. I want to find the value of this, what, a1 x minus xn plus a2 x minus xn x minus n minus 1 plus a2 x minus xn minus 1 x minus n minus 2. Okay, plus dot an x minus xn x minus xn minus 1 x minus xn minus 2 dot. So what here, so if 1 then n, so that means what, this is what, so that means what, if n then this is 1 x minus x1, your last one will be 1. So this is very important. So this is the crucial now among this is what, this is the crucial step now. Okay, so we'll call this as 1. Okay, where a naught, a1, a2 dot an are constants to be determined by f of xn is equal to yn. Xn is equal to yn. Okay, so what we do, put x is equal to xn in 1, we get, okay, so f of xn is equal to a naught. So therefore a naught is equal to y naught. So you get the value of a naught as y naught. You get the value of a naught as a not y naught, that is yn. This is yn, because what, f of xn is same as yn. So this is yn. This is yn. Okay, now put x is equal to xn minus 1 in 1, we get f of xn minus 1. So what is that then? This is what, a naught plus a1 xn minus 1 minus xn minus 1 minus xn. So what is this? This is yn minus 1. This is what, yn. This is what, yn. This is yn. Plus a1 into, this is minus h. This is minus h, because what, your interval is xn minus 1 xn. So xn minus 1 will be h now. Well, now this will be the minus h. So now, so we'll shift this a1 to this side and yn to this. So this is what, then h a1 is equal to yn minus 1. So now this is h a1. This h a1 is same as This is the backward difference at y now. This is the backward difference at y. So what is this backward difference? See, you know that backward difference of f of x is same as f of x minus f of x minus h. Right? So backward difference you are operating on yn will be same as yn minus 1. Right? So this is the backward difference now. Because we are seeing the our title of the point is what? Backward difference formula, right? So this is backward difference. So now your a1, you are in del of 1 upon h. Okay, so 1 upon h first backward difference. So I write this is what a naught is same as yn. Your a1 is same as. We'll find only the a2 now, and we'll generalize this. Okay. So now we'll find a2 now. We'll find a2. Okay. So I will keep this what here now. So a1 is what? Just I will write this value what? yn minus 1 upon h. Okay. So now I will erase this because I don't need this. Okay. I want that value of a1 in the this. Okay. So put, for my convenience I have written that. Put x is equal to xn minus 2 in 1. We get now. F of xn minus 2 is equal to, we'll put here, this is what? A naught plus a1 xn minus 2 minus xn plus a2 xn minus 2 minus xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1. Okay. So now we'll put, this is what? Yn minus 2. Your a naught is yn. Now this is a1. So your n is what? Yn minus 1 upon h. And this is what? Xn minus xn. So this is minus twice h. This will what? Minus twice h. Plus a2. So xn minus, this is minus twice h. And this will then minus h then. Xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1. So this will what? Xn minus 2 minus xn minus 1 is minus h. Okay. So this is minus h. Okay. Now we first simplify this. This is what? Yn minus 2 is equal to yn minus 2 into. So this is what? Hn gets cancelled. Minus 2 into yn minus 1. Okay. So then this will be the plus twice h square a2. This is a2, not a3. Twice h square a2. I will keep that as it is now here. Okay. So that part I will keep as it is now. Okay. I will shift all these things here now. So what I get now? Okay. So what I get? So this is what? Yn minus 2. So I will shift all these things here. Okay. So yn minus 2 will be as it is here. So this is what? Minus 2 times y. So it will be plus yn will be here. This is minus y now. This is what? Then minus plus, and you are shifting this. So this will be the minus 2 times yn minus 1. 2 times yn minus 1. So this is equal to what? Twice h square, not a square. This is twice h square a2. This will be a2 now. This is a2. This is twice h square a2. Twice h square a2. So I write this twice h square a2 as twice h square a2 is equal to yn minus twice yn minus 1 plus yn minus 2. Okay. So now here, see, we'll do the calculation. So I don't want this one. So what? First backward at yn now. First backward at yn is equal to what? Yn minus 1. Okay. Second backward yn now. So this is what? Del of yn minus 1 now. Okay. Now your yn as it is now. This is what? yn minus 1 as it is minus. You have to replace n by n minus 1 now. So n by n minus 1, n minus 1 minus n minus 2. After simplifying, what we get now? This is the yn, this is yn, minus minus. So these are two minus now here. So minus 2yn minus 1, minus 2yn minus 1, minus minus plus. So that is yn plus 2. Okay. So minus 1, y minus 2. This is plus now. Plus. So that means what? This is what a2 is equal to 1 upon 2 h square, second backward difference at yn. Right? So I can write this as 1 upon 2 factorial h square del square yn. So similarly, if you put x is equal to n minus 3 and like this, so a1 or a1, so write a0, a2 as this now upon twice h square. You will see that your twice h square will be get cancelled. No problem for this one. And easily you can do the calculation. That will what? The 6 now here. You get here 6h cube a3 now. You get 6h cube a3. So third backward at yn now. So similarly, okay, so I will erase now all those things. Similarly, we can prove a3 is equal to 1 upon 3 factorial h cube, third backward at yn, dot dot dot, an is equal to 1 upon n factorial h to the power n yn. Okay, put the values of a0, a1, a2 dot 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 an in 1. We'll put this value in 1, so we get what we get now. F of x is equal to what is a0? A0 is y now. We are putting the values now. So yn plus 1 upon h plus 1 upon h, first backward of this, okay, x minus xn plus 1 upon 2 factorial h square, second backward at yn, x minus xn, x minus xn minus 1. This is a3 now. Okay, this is a3 plus 1 upon 3 factorial h cube, third backward at yn, x minus xn, x minus xn minus 1. Okay, so I will write up to this. I will write, because what, I don't have the enough space, so I will take this plus. I take the plus sign and write this. What? A3 is what? 1 upon 3 factorial h cube 10 to the power 3 yn. So x minus xn, x minus xn minus 1, x minus xn minus 2 plus dot 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 plus 1 upon n factorial h to the power n, nth backward at yn, x minus n, x minus n minus 1 dot 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 x minus x1. Well, I will call this as 2 now. Okay. Now put x is equal to xn plus ph. So what we get then? This implies that x minus xn is pH. X minus xn is pH. X minus xn. Now x minus xn you got. X minus xn minus 1. We'll find the value of this. X minus xn minus 1 now. Okay. So your x is what? Xn plus pH. Your x is xn plus pH. Now, what is your xn minus 1 now? Xn minus 1. So what is the xn minus 1? So what is your xi? Xi is equal to x naught plus IH. X naught plus IH. So now your xn will be minus I there. Okay. So this will what? P plus 1. Okay. Minus xn minus ph. Xn minus h. Xn minus h. Because what? Xn minus xn minus xn minus 1 xn minus 1 is equal to h. Xn minus 1 is equal to h. Okay. So that means your xn is same as, so this is shifted here. So xn minus 1 is same as what here? So this xn minus h. See, xn minus h. Okay. So now this is what, then xn get cancelled. So minus 1 become plus. So this is p plus 1 times h. So your xn minus 1 will be p plus 1 times h. So now we'll find x minus xn minus 2 now. So this is what? Xn plus ph. Xn plus ph. Okay. Now your xn minus 2 is equal to 2 times h now. This is same as twice h, because there these were xn minus 1, then xn minus 2. So this will be ph. So that means what here? So xn minus 2 is same as what? We are shifting this what? Xn minus twice h. So minus, so xn minus 2 is what? Xn minus twice h. So xn get cancelled. So this minus become plus. You can take h common also. So what we get there? P plus 2h, and so on. Okay. So 2 implies now. 2 implies. We'll put the value here. So what is f of xn plus ph is equal to? Xn plus ph is equal to. Okay, so I write here, no problem. I write here now. So that what? F of xn plus ph. So this is the backward, right? So therefore it is backward means what? See the latest last time value is this is the xn is the last term of the x now. Okay. So this is okay. So now this yn will be as it is now. This is yn is as it is now. Okay. Now plus 1 by h, backward yn as it is. X minus xn is ph. So this is ph plus 1 upon 2 factorial h square yn, then square yn. Then this is what? X minus xn is ph. So this is ph. Then this is what? P plus 1 times h. X minus n minus n minus 1 is what? P plus 1 times h plus 1 upon 3 factorial h2. This is third difference at yn. So this is what? ph. Then this is what? P plus 1 times h. So what is this? So yn. Okay. So x minus xn is ph. X minus n minus, this is what? P plus 1h. Then we have calculated also x minus xn p plus 2 h plus dot plus 1 upon n factorial h to the power n backward at yn. So this is what? ph P plus 1 times H, P plus 2 times H, plus dot dot dot, plus dot dot dot. So this is what is the last one. Last one is x minus 1. So this is what the last one will be what? P plus n, P plus n minus 1 times H. Oh, dot dot dot, not plus. So this is dot dot dot. Product is there. Okay. Now we'll simplify this. We'll simplify this. So this is what f of xn plus ph. Y will be as it is, yn plus. So your hs get cancelled. See, hs get cancelled. P backward at yn plus. Now this is what h square. H into h will be h square. H square get cancelled. So this is what 1 upon 2 factorial p into p plus 1. Okay. So second backward at y plus 1 upon 3 factorial p plus 1 p plus 2. This is what yn. Okay. Third backward plus dot 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 plus 1 upon n factorial p plus 1 p plus 2 dot dot dot. The last term will what? P plus n minus 1. Because what? If this is 3, then this is 2 now here. So this is what? N minus 1 is there. Okay. So this is what then? This is n, yn. Okay. So this is called, this is simpler formula. You can apply this for the solving the problems. We need this formula. Okay. So you remember this as Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. Okay, you should remember this. Okay, this is called Newton's backward interpolation, backward difference. Okay, backward difference interpolation formula. Newton interpolation formula. Okay, on the same table, okay, you can apply the backward difference interpolation formula and forward difference. You have to make a same table now here. Okay, so difference table is same for forward difference or backward difference. For forward differences, you have to take the upper values of the table, and for the backward difference, you have to take the lower values of the table. Okay, so lowest value. So that is what. So last values of the table, you have to take this one. Okay. So only this is what here. And for forward difference, what is the relation? What is the difference between the forward and? So this is what the formula is same now here. So this is what x naught, because this is forward. Forward difference means it is started from x naught now here. Backward means it is started from xn now here. But backward you are taking from the last one. You are starting from the last one. So for backward you are taking xn here, and for forward you are taking x naught here. So now here what? So same formula here what? Y naught. So here what? So y naught. This is back, instead of backward, there you have to use the forward now here. So here what? P plus 1. So there you are using P minus 1, P minus 1, P minus 2, and so on. Instead of the forward you are taking as backward. Instead of the backward you are taking as a forward now. This is what? Forward y naught now here. Y naught and so on. Okay. So this is what easy to remember, the forward difference formula and backward difference formula. If you remember the forward difference formula, just write x naught as xn, y naught as a yn, and the minus as a plus sign only. Okay. So replace only that. Replace forward as a backward, right? Replace x naught as a xn, right? Replace x naught as a xn and y naught as a yn now. Replace y naught as a yn only. Okay. So this is what? Replace minus, all minus as a plus now. So from forward you can express as a backward or backward as in terms of the forward. So easily you can evaluate this formula. You can write the formula, because formula is very important now here. For solving the problem, the formula is very important. Okay. So the last one formula is very important to solve the problems on the backward difference backward difference formula, forward difference formula. Okay. So I hope that you understand how to prove how to state and prove the Newton's forward interpolation formula and backward interpolation formula. So here we have seen the how to state and prove the Newton's backward interpolation formula. I hope that you understand this one. Okay. So write 2-3 ways independently so that you can easily prove the Newton's backward interpolation formula. Okay, now we stop here. Thank you.